Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing tips for the removal and replacement of the air bypass valve on this 2022 Honda Civic with the 1.5 liter engine. If you find my tips to be helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Now let's get started. The air bypass valve is located at the center of your screen, the tip of my pointer, right in here, okay? Right there. Symptoms associated with the faulty valve include low idle, high idle, rough idle, stalling, poor fuel economy, and check engine codes P0410 through P0419. So you might ask yourself, what does this part do? The valve accurately regulates the amount of air entering the engine during idle to keep your engine's idle steady and smooth. Let's quickly go over our supply list. Our supply list includes a 10mm socket with ratchet, a pair of pliers, and some carburetor choke cleaner to clean out any clogged hoses. Please see other items in the description below. So let's move forward with the removal of the valve itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the electrical connector. So just squeeze in on the back of the connector. I'm going to take two hands, pull it off, push this wire off to the side. Now that you have that wire removed, you have clear access to the bolt that connects the valve to the valve bracket. So go ahead and loosen that bolt up. It's a 10mm bolt. So I'm going to go in now with one hand, because I've done it once already. Okay, got firm grip on that bolt, setting it off to the side. Now, there is a hose connection on this side right here. Okay, so go in with your pliers and slide that hose clamp away from the valve. And then what I want you to do is grab the hose and twist that hose. Twist it for about 15 seconds. Move it, move the pliers, twist some more. Move the pliers, twist some more, okay? Now I'm going to pull out the bypass valve and I'm going to pull it off of this hose bib connection that's closest to the driver's side of the vehicle. There you go. So now I still have two connections. And as you can see, I've already slid back the hose clamps, okay? And so what I did was I just twisted these hoses, twist, 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 until they came off of this connection right here. And this is your bypass valve right here. Okay? Just starting from the top, let's call this top right here. You got your two pins for electrical connectors. They look nice and straight. I don't hear any rattles. The plastic is not cracked. You can blow air in here. And I'm going to try that right now. So I blew air, and air flows freely between here and here. But air does not flow freely between here and here and here and here. Okay? This valve was not throwing a check engine light, so I'm going to say that's how it's supposed to operate. I wouldn't try to clean this valve. However, there's one hose that comes from the air intake manifold. And if you're throwing a check engine light before you replace this valve, I will use some mass airflow sensor cleaner and attempt to clean the hose that is directly connected to the air intake manifold, because it could be that that hose connection is clogged because it's a very, very small opening. That's really all I wanted to cover in this video. At this time, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this valve. So let's get to it. So if you notice, these hoses are two different sizes. Okay, and there's two different size hose bibs. That makes it really easy. Press it on. You can press both of those on right now. Then you can grab your pliers, slide the clamp into place. Clamp should be about 1/4 inch from the end of the rubber tip. Now I'm locating the other clamp, sliding it down. There you go. 1/4 inch from the tip. And that's ready to go. So now I can go ahead and install the valve on the bracket and install the bolt. So now I'm going to position the valve so that the screw sticks out the other side of the bracket. Grab my bolt very carefully without dropping it and thread it on to the tip of that bolt. There you go. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be. So now I'm going to go ahead, lock down that bolt using my ratchet. Now I'm going to reconnect that very small gauge hose that connects directly to the intake manifold. I'm going to slide it onto the far end of the valve. You guys can't see what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Trust me. I'm going to grab my pliers, squeeze that hose clamp, slide it up on 1/4 inch from the end. Take a second look at it, come back through, check all my hose connections, recheck the bolt, recheck the connection at the intake manifold. Now lastly, I'm going to come here, loop this wire bundle through this little wire holder right here. I'm going to reach over. The locking mechanism is on the far side of the electrical connector. Just slide it on, listen for the click. There you have it, pull back a little bit, and there you go. Well folks, this completes the video on the removal and replacement of the air bypass valve on this 2022 Honda Civic with the 1.5 liter engine. I hope you found my tips to be helpful. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, drive defensively.